Hi guys, this is WordPress. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Edge Pro, and today we are going to create local web domain for our WordPress website without purchasing any other domain and hosting services for test and trial basis. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to explain you guys that XAMPP and MAMP are also used for this, but I'm here to make it more easier for you to get started with WordPress without any hassle of domain hosting. First of all, you need to download WP Local from your browser. Just type WP Local. WP Local. Just click on download for free. Choose your platform. Right now I'm working on Mac, so I will select Mac. You can also select Windows. Choose your organization. Type your working email and press get it now. So it will start downloading. Okay. So you need to place it into the application so it gets downloaded. Wait a while. Okay, just launch the application. Press on create a new site. Press continue. Type your website name. Press continue. Choose prefer rather than customs because you are a beginner. Your WordPress password. Your original email address. Press add site. So it will take some time to create the localhost page. Okay, now our localhost page is now created. So I will just open the site. As you can see, our WordPress site is created on our localhost domain. So creative.local. Type wp-admin. So it will redirect you to the WordPress login page. Type your username. So as you can see, our WordPress admin page is now logged in. So you can create pages, you can change the media, you can change the post. So that's it. And if you want to share with any other people, because this site is not publicly published, it's working on a local host. So you will go to the one-click admin, select the admin to yourself, create a link, log into your local. Okay, now you have to create an account. Just press on create your account. Verify your email. As you can see that now we are going to log into our account. So just press login. So our live link is now created. Just enable the site. It is creating the tunnel. So our live link is generated. You can also change the username and password from here. Let's stop this site first of all. Now you can change your username. So will set it to my name and password to 23456. Save changes. So our open link is now created. Okay, now you just change your URL by generate new URL link, and you will go to overview and start the site and enable the link. As you can see, your link is enabled. Just copy the link and share with any other people you want to share with. It will ask for the username where you entered. What was it? It was Zoeb. Zoeb, the password 123456. Just sign in. As you can see, now I can see my own page as a user. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. For more upcoming videos, kindly press the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Thanks for watching.